Mortgage rates rose again this week, surprise, surprise, going back to the same levels they were at a few weeks ago. But as we'll see, it's not all doom and gloom. Some of these numbers are actually really good. These fluctuations in rates will continue to persist, but that's the real estate market and really any market. However, with inflation easing further and the Federal Reserve expected to pause their rate hikes, mortgage rates are expected to stabilize near 6% in the second half of the year. And stabilization means predictability, and we love predictability. I'm James Duffer with Rise Real Estate Consultants, and this is your May 2023 Southern New England Real Estate Market Update. So what does this look like on the ground? Let's check the housing forecast. James? Thank you, James. And like I was saying earlier, there's some really encouraging data out there. Beginning in Warwick, in the entirety of last year, 95 properties were sold. To date this year, there's been 55 sold so far. So we're on target to actually eclipse last year's data. A similar situation is happening in North Kingstown. Last year, 23 properties were sold. To date this year, there's been 19. Woonsocket, speaking to all your first-time home buyers out there, last year's median sales price for a single-family home was $370,000. This year so far, it's only $330,000. Now, we're going into the really hot numbers over here in Portsmouth, where 23 properties were sold last year, but 20 to date this year. The highest demand goes over here to Cranston. Last year, in all of 2022, 51 properties were sold. To date, 50 have been sold so far, and the median sales price has gone up by $33,000. If anywhere is hot this month, it's definitely Cranston. Back to you, James. Thank you, James. On to the numbers. Currently, the national average 30-year fixed rate mortgage is 7.03%, up 1/5 of a point over last month's report. For homeowners looking to refinance, the national average 30-year fixed refinance interest rate is 7.07%, up 1/10 of a point from last month's report. The median sales price of a single-family home has increased $30,000 since last month's report to $425,000, selling at an average of 38 days on market. The condos have gone up $20,000 to $340K median, selling in about 35 days on market. Multis have continued to hold firm, however, for the last 3 months, continuing to sell at an average of $450,000 and selling quickly at only 28 days on market. Will you be taking advantage of this red-hot market? Let me know in the comments below.